initially was trying to model was just some simple piece of fruit. And I don't know what happened, but I just ended up with something that looked like a hand. You know those hand chairs? Those chairs that look like you're sitting on the palm? You know what I'm talking about? So that's what it started looking like, whatever I just like pulled that piece of clay into. And then I'm like, oh, I couldn't just model a hand. That'd be fun. And so I did, and then I am like, well, this will be kind of hard to print. You know, I didn't want to deal with supports. I wasn't sure how. Actually, it probably would have been fine if I kept it like this. Maybe I'll revisit the whole hand chair thing. Except then I'll have to worry about the balance, being able to balance it standing up. But maybe I'll just need to add a base or something. Anyways, it was in like some kind of position like this, and then I was going back and forth between whether how the fingers were, like if they were gonna be, you know, relaxed like this or straight or like hyperextended or I don't know. So then of course that changed everything with whether you'd see more like a knuckle or more wrinkles and stuff. So I kept on changing things up. So I ended up adding some wrinkle textures to the knuckle areas, but yeah. So maybe go and paint those fingernails sometime too. But that's my hand. That's the story of my hand. Hey, hand of bananas. That's fruit.